What's up mga amigo, mga amiga, mga kasabong, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa farm ng Team Loyal 409, honored by Francis RSU, the 6th tag champion anniversary ng Davao Matina Galera. Tara, silipin natin ang mga manok nila. Let's get it on!
With no brakes, I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today, unstoppable today, unstoppable today, I'm unstoppable today.
Yan. The new Davao Matina Galera anniversary 6th tag big event, 18 million or more, 100k pot money champion. Team Loyal 409. Honored by Francis RSU. Napanood nyo na po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking mga video. Thank you so much. Enjoy there. Bye-bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow my page, Ardis Vlog channel. Bye-bye.